What if you had used leverage to invest in your favorite stocks? What if your favorite stocks didn't just grow, they multiplied? Leverage, a powerful financial tool, can make this possible. But what is leverage, and how can beginners use it wisely? Stick with us as we explore its potential to amplify your gains and inspire smarter investment decisions. Leverage is like stepping on a financial accelerator. It allows you to borrow money to invest. Imagine having $1,000 but investing as though you had $2,000 or even $5,000. Sounds amazing, right? But with great power comes great responsibility, and we're here to help you navigate both. Using leverage means you're betting on the belief that your investment will grow faster than the cost of borrowing. This strategy magnifies profits, but it can also magnify losses. That's why understanding it and using it carefully is crucial for beginners. Let's take a trip back in time. Think about your favorite stock, one you believed in before its big rise. Apple, Tesla, or Amazon, maybe. Imagine you had used leverage to increase your stake in it. Could your gains have doubled? Tripled? Possibly even more. For instance, if you invested $1,000 in a stock that grew 50%, you'd make $500. But if you used leverage to invest $2,000 instead, your profit would jump to $1,000. This what-if game reveals the potential power of leverage, but also raises important questions about balancing risk and reward. Every tool has its downsides, and leverage is no exception. Just as it can amplify your gains, it can magnify losses. If your stock's value drops, you could owe much more than your initial investment, a sobering reality all beginners must understand. Leverage requires careful planning, financial discipline, and a mindset prepared for long-term goals. Investing with leverage isn't about chasing quick wins, it's about strategic bets, diversifying risk, and keeping your emotions in check during market dips. You might feel both intrigued and cautious, and that's a good balance. The key to leveraging effectively is education. Start small, research diligently, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Practice patience, build confidence, and learn from every experience. If used wisely, leverage can become a tool to help you access higher returns. It requires a disciplined approach, setting stop-loss limits, monitoring your investments, and understanding your risk tolerance. With a solid foundation, leverage could elevate your investment game. Your potential to grow wealth is greater than you imagine. Take this inspiration and channel it into action. Learn more, ask questions, and seek trusted financial advice. Whether you use leverage now or later, your awareness and knowledge are your greatest assets. So, why wait? Subscribe, share, and start exploring the possibilities that can transform your investment journey. You hold the power to turn dreams into plans, and plans into realities. Let's take your first step towards smarter, more confident investing today.